So the main thing that stood out to me was actually the curriculum in the psychology program and their emphasis on subjects such as therapy, assessment, and research. What I like most about the program is how well the classes really prepare you to work with clients, whether that is therapy or assessment. So that could be on internship or in a job after you graduate.
So the psychology program here in Augusta University is one of the best in the States. And what I really like about it is that it combines clinical psychology and counseling psychology. And so I don't have to pick between one or the other. And I feel that this program really prepares you to become a licensed therapist by giving you a lot of rigorous education and preparing all your internship hours that are required for the clinical license.
Semester, I was able to start an internship at an outpatient clinic that treats children and adolescents, and I've really noticed how well my classes have prepared me to conduct cognitive assessment with children.
So I am a graduate assistant in this program, and that means I receive financial assistance towards my tuition. And so I pay a lot less in tuition, and that's something I really appreciate. And I am a graduate assistant for the Office of Multicultural Student Engagement, which has given me a lot of opportunities to work with people of different backgrounds and really embrace the concepts of diversity, equity, and inclusion.
My goal in the long term is to become a licensed psychologist and to work with patients as well as conduct research on the effectiveness of therapeutic interventions.
I want to become a therapist that helps underrepresented populations in mental health care, whether that's working for LGBTQ clinics or in nonprofits that helps refugees or other minority populations. I want to be able to offer support and help for all these populations that are usually unable or have little access to mental health care.
I'm Janelle Slavin-Mulford. I am a licensed clinical psychologist and associate professor at AU. My expertise is in personality assessment and long-term insight-oriented psychotherapy. I also have an active research lab focused on how a therapist's personality impacts treatment, as well as analysis of narrative data such as dreams and early memories. So I finished my training at Mass General Hospital, Harvard Medical School in 2012, and the training was fantastic, but it was also a really competitive environment. So when I finished my training, I really wanted to find a job where I could incorporate my passion for research, clinical work, and teaching, but within a much more supportive environment. And when I came to AU, that's exactly what I found. The students and the faculty were all very passionate about what they were doing, but it felt nurturing and kind. So it's where I wanted to come. So by far, the best part of my job is being able to develop such meaningful relationships with students. I work with our clinical graduate students very intensely. And very often what they say is, I came to AU wanting to learn how to become a clinician or a researcher, and I have. But what I didn't expect is just how much I would grow as a human being during my time here. And for me, getting to be a part of that process and that journey is an honor and a privilege, and I truly can't think of any better job.